The 2027 Mercedes-Benz EQB is officially gone, replaced by the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLB with EQ technology. This electric-first SUV promises massive range gains, ultra-fast charging, and smarter tech. But how does it really perform in city traffic versus highway cruising? Real-world range. On paper, the numbers look impressive. City driving is projected between 360 and 400 miles, thanks to strong regenerative braking and efficient one-pedal driving. With 93% battery-to-wheel efficiency, stop-and-go traffic actually works in this SUV's favor. Highway driving tells a different story. Expect around 280 to 310 miles at steady speeds. Once you push beyond 70 miles per hour, the upright, boxy profile starts fighting the wind, cutting range by roughly 20 to 25% compared to city conditions. Cold weather used to hurt the old Mercedes-Benz EQB badly, but that changes here. A new high-efficiency heat pump captures waste heat from the battery and motor, reducing winter range loss by around 30%. Design and tech. Visually, this SUV keeps its practical, squared-off identity, but the details are sharper. Inspired by Mercedes' sensual purity language, it features star-shaped lighting signatures and a smoother underbody to improve aerodynamics to a 0.28 drag coefficient. Inside, the highlight is the MB.OS superscreen, a sweeping glass panel housing a 10.3-inch driver display and dual 14-inch touchscreens. The new MB.OS system integrates AI assistance from Google and Microsoft for more natural voice control. Practicality remains a key selling point. It's still one of the few compact EVs offering an optional third row. A longer wheelbase and wider door openings make access easier, turning this EV into a realistic family hauler. Performance and charging. Two main versions are expected. The GLB 250 Plus sends 268 horsepower to the front wheels for maximum efficiency, while the GLB 350 4Cherry MATIC pushes 349 horsepower and hits 60 miles per hour in about 5.2 seconds. Charging is where things truly leap forward. The new 800-volt system supports up to 320 kilowatts DC fast charging. Under ideal conditions, you can add about 161 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Even better, it comes standard with a North American charging standard port, giving direct access to Tesla superchargers without adapters. That alone transforms this SUV into a legitimate long-distance road trip machine. Starting around $52,000 and arriving in early 2027, this electric GLB could redefine compact luxury EV expectations. Would you choose it over rivals? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world EV tests.